Hey guys, Chaz here from Pugliese Speed Shop. We're back in the shop, and here's your Tuesday morning tech tip. All right, guys. So as most of you know, we've been out on the road lately. We've been out in the old daily driver Tundra, and you figure, look at this thing, right? Practically brand new. Nothing's gonna go wrong. Well, I'm here to tell you, if it's got motor and it's got tires, things can go wrong. And it's always when, you don't need the problems, right? So come out of a building, and this tire right here is like, it's down to like 10 PSI or something. And I got a bolt as big as my damn finger right in this region here, all right? So, as you can see, we took care of it, right? Now, yeah, I know I need tires pretty soon, all right? They're actually on order. But, so here's a plug. Is that the best way to do things? No, obviously, pulling it off, putting a patch on it's the way to do it, right? But when you're in small town Pennsylvania and it's like half snowing out, it's like cold as hell, and this tire is just dumping air out of it, you don't got a lot of options. So what do? You come over here, right? And everybody always said to me, Chaz, you got a brand new truck. Why are you carrying tools? I'll be honest with you. Most of the time, they ain't for me, right? Most of the time, it's for somebody else I'm with. But this time, it was for me. This little kit, I think it cost me about 10, 12 bucks, something like that, bailed me out. That's all it took. Well, guys, pretty easy one today, right? You can't go nowhere with a flat, well, you can go somewhere with a flat tire, but you're going to have a messed up rim afterwards. Probably not get the best gas mileage. It's going to be a bumpy ride. But this little guy here, all you need is a couple things, right? You don't need a little fancy dancy kit, but you can go in there, you get, this is all I use. You pull out the thing, you use the reamer, right? Peel out one of these plugs, stick it through this little hole, pull it out. Real simple. And I was actually gonna record it. I ended up doing it at my brother's house. So we're up there in PA. You guys saw the last couple episodes have been out of there. We were out in town there, went back to his house, and did the driveway. I didn't even take it off because it was towards the outside. Jacked it up to get, weight off the tire, pulled it out, that bolt, reamed it, fixed it. That's where things got a little bit, they halted, if you will. My brother's still getting settled in his house, so he's got the compressor. Took a little while to find the hose. He found the hose, took a little bit to find the adapter to get it. It was a whole, yeah. Kind of leads me to my next thing. I get it, you're fresh in a new spot, and it took me a while here too, it takes you forever to get settled, right? And about the time you get settled, when stuff starts getting cluttered, and then you got to clean it. So it's a never-ending process. But looking back, maybe I should have gone where, over to the Wawa, something like that, where I knew but you never know with them things too. Half the times they don't work, right? Yeah, be that as it may. It all worked. Joe kept looking, God bless him. Kept looking until he found it, right? And he was determined. And he didn't get mad, which kind of hits a little bit on the last Tuesday morning tech tip. Well, 2 ago. You get it. Like I said, putting a plug in a tire is not, the thing you want to do. You're stuck on the side of the road. It's the thing you want to do because you're not pulling it off the rim and putting a patch in it. Like I said, you saw those tires. Yeah, they ain't the best. They got 50,000 miles on them. And I said, I got other ones coming in. And actually, you guys are going to see that on an upcoming episode because we'll do a little work to the old Tundra there and make it a little more aesthetically pleasing, I think is the right way. But before I get too far off track, keeping a little kit like this under your back seat, in your trunk, whatever, definitely helpful. I go a little bit further. When I was 16 years old, actually I think I was 14, got my first car, right? 77 Trans Am. My father gave me this toolkit right here. Nothing major, right? He had it, I guess maybe in his car or something, I'm not really sure. It's just, maybe he went out and bought it. You know, he never told me, so I don't know. But he gave me this and said, hey, always keep tools in your car. Now, that was back when, you know, I was driving cars as old or older than me on a daily basis, which is definitely, this is a bare minimum to keep in there. And as you see, I got that bag in there, and I add a couple things over the years, you know, stuff I needed when I was stuck sometime or whatever. But, you know, even that truck's still like brand new, right? 3 years old. To me, that's still brand new. But keeping these tools in there, they've helped me out, helped my friends out, strangers on the side of the road I've helped out. And just last week, they helped me out big time. So, not a bad idea, right? Thanks for watching, guys.